Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup repair receipts with Expensify for landlords, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Expensify app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and log in to your Expensify account. On the home screen, locate the plus icon to initiate the process of adding a receipt. Select the option to upload a receipt. You can either take a photo of the receipt or choose a previously saved image from your device. If taking a photo, ensure the receipt is well lit and all information is clear. After capturing the image, review it for clarity and accuracy. Once satisfied, tap Use this receipt or a similar prompt. Expensify will automatically extract the data from the receipt. Review the extracted information for any inaccuracies and make corrections if necessary. Assign the receipt to a specific category or project relevant to your rental properties. You can also add tags or notes for better tracking. After entering all the necessary details, save the receipt. Repeat these steps for any additional receipts you need to back up. To view all your saved receipts, navigate to the Receipts tab on the home screen. From there, you can organize or export your receipts as needed. If you prefer to use a computer, visit the Expensify website and log into your account. Follow similar steps to upload receipts directly from your computer. Make sure to regularly back up your receipts to stay organized and manage your expenses efficiently. Consider setting reminders to upload receipts promptly after each transaction to maintain accurate records. With these steps, you can effectively manage and back up your repair receipts for your rental properties with Expensify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.